Hello everyone. Today, we will show you how to create a gradient background in Canva. Gradients are a great way to add depth, color, and a modern look to your designs. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, open your project. To add a gradient, all we need to do is click on Elements and search for Gradient. Then just choose the gradient we want to use. For example, let's select this one. We will add it to the page. Let's fit it to the page now. All we need to do is fit it to the page. Once it's in place, we can adjust the transparency here so it blends well with the rest of the design. And there we go. It fits perfectly. That's how we create a gradient background in Canva. With just a few simple steps, we can make our designs look more polished and visually appealing